Namaste, Miss Laura with Higher Minds and Meddy the Teddy here today for a mindful minute. In honor of Pride Month, we are going to do a rainbow stretch, rainbow breath. Let's start with a rainbow breath. Breath break, time for a breath break. Rub our hands, getting all the colors of the rainbow inside the hands. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, paint a rainbow in the sky. Inhale, up. Exhale, a rainbow. Last one. You can even say all the colors and visualize them. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Rainbow stretch. Bring your legs out wide like Meddy the Teddy. Bringing our arms from side to side, starting with, what's the first color of the rainbow? Red. Beautiful. Other side. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Indigo. And violet. How many colors? How many colors? How many colors in a rainbow? 7 colors. That's right. Beautiful job. And then we're going to inhale, reach up, exhale. See if you can go to both your toes for a wide-legged forward fold. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Big stretch. We inhale. When we exhale, we fold forward. Maybe our nose can go all the way down like Meddy Teddy's. He's been practicing this pose. He can make it all the way down. Good job. And we hold for 3 breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Notice how you feel after our rainbow breath and our rainbow stretch. Thank you so much for joining us. Namaste.